sound very short. Hey, you know, that's understandable. We gotta go. Get a 5. 5.
Tried to watch one.
Oh, maybe not. Into this one. Oh.
Hey, Johnny Rock, he's starting to get burnt.
Go ahead.
Yeah. This is a 4, right?
Yes.
It's going to take a lot more than 1.6. Somebody's happy.
Sounds like he's just one. Chris, how are you making out?
About 10 left. 12.
4, sir.
I kind of miss it. There are no more, right? Good.
Hey, B! Come on. I did!
I'm out of practice. Landscaping, I was in a lot better. Those recliners, you can't do much.
See the teacher's pet gets us. Oh, that's right, you guys are in a brotherhood.
Payback, brother.
Yeah, the rest of them cried about him. And
Get up there!
Yeah, well, true.
Almost finale time.
You guys ready?
Ross, what are you doing there? Come on. Nope.
Corey's gonna let you grab?
You started running. No, I'm kidding.
That's someplace to be.
Vic?
That's it. Just one left, guys. Well, after me.
One
After
left.
me, one left.
Oh, yeah, this is the last one here.
All right, Corey.
Better be a 6, Mahoney. Better turn it into a 6.
Good boy! That's a good boy. What do you got there? He's going to that. After this one. What? Two? Yeah, take it. Of the finale?
never get sick of that.
I live for that.
We fuck up the call.
Oh, that's incredible.
I thought you were running away on me there.
Good God. That is, that's why we do it.
Good job,
That's why we do it.
You guys did it. I stood back and watched.
Yeah, we noticed.
Because Steph would probably hit me if he didn't.
I think we may have 2 live rounds on the ground. One right here, one over front of my truck.
What's that?
One right here too, Chief.
One of the engine that I'd like to look at. I come down early on.
That one too.
They don't know. Oh, sorry. You got everything ready. Sir, beans, sweet. And Corey, you get to light the grand finale. Yeah.
Oh, I love it.
I never lit a grand finale. It's always been potato. That's it. Torch. Next year. Yeah. It was supposed to be March. Maybe yesterday. I'm fucking. Is this the truck? Never strung it for either. Fantastic. Thank you very much.
That's why we do it for that finale.
Outstanding.
Yep, finale's incredible.
Outstanding. This truck. Oh, thank you.
Oh, in the distance.
Yeah.
Right next to Filet. Well, I can't wait for tomorrow's finale now.
Fantastic.
The finale is just
Yeah, we're going tomorrow.
right at home.